apa yang kita semua nak perjuangkan is a Malaysia where every young person, every old person has a place to prosper, to live, and to live life well. And today, you look at what MIC is fighting for, what Harapan is fighting for. We want to fight for unity. We want to fight for things that will move Malaysia forward. There are many voices and there are many forces telling you to go backward. Boycott this election. Don't go out and vote. Turn your anger towards sitting at home and doing nothing. These kind of voices are not productive. It doesn't help to build anything in Malaysia. You know, our forefathers, people in the past, fought very hard for this right to vote for every Malaysian. For 18-year-old young people, so much work has been done to ensure that even 18-year-old can come out to vote. But those who have the power to vote, to decide on the future of Kuala Kubu Baharu, if you stay at home and you listen to the negative voices of people who don't live here from outside telling you, stay home, boycott, it serves nothing. It doesn't help you in any way. When they tell you not to do something, not to do anything, it will only take you backward. It's not an empowering act. So I hope semua pengundi Kuala Kubu Baharu pada hari pengundian akan keluar mengundi, kerana saya percaya mantan adun Kuala Kubu Baharu Lee Ki Hiong merupakan seorang adun yang sangat rajin berkhidmat. 3 penggal beliau turun ke sana ke sini, ke banyak tempat, kuil, masjid, NGO, semua tempat beliau berkhidmat dengan bagus. Dan untuk mengingati legasi beliau, saya percaya dalam kalangan 4 calon ini hanya satu saja calon yang mampu meneruskan kerja baik Lee Ki Hiong, iaitu calon nombor 2 daripada Harapan.